So how many ways are there to play a G chord? You're going to find out by the end of this video. And if you're new here, my name is Dave Donoghue. I run theschoolofguitar.com. I've been teaching guitar for over the last 20 plus years and playing for the last 25 plus years. And in this video, I'm going to bring you through all the different types of G chords. First one we got is our regular 3-finger G. The one most of you started with. The next step up is the 4-finger G. Oasis use this one a lot. Maybe. Listen if I play Live Forever with 3-finger G. 4. The next one up is the bar chord G. And this is where things get a bit tricky for players, that they might go, oh, it's bar chords. Bar chords are so worth it. The sound is so snappy. Listen to the open chord version. Jingle jangly, right? This one, it has a punch to it. But that's not the only bar chord G, it's the main one that players use. The next one is the D shape, and this is where things start to get really interesting. And before we get into the next one, I just want to share that I have an entire free ultimate step-by-step guide to clear chords, faster changes and steady strumming. If you want to get your hands on it for free, check out the link in the description after this video. This is the D-shaped G. I would often use this one when I play gigs if I want to substitute the sound like mandolins, banjos. But also using the next type of G is the C shape. This will sound familiar to the D one, but the advantage to this one is you can do nice little fills with it. And also under the bridge is done using the exact same shape. Using your index finger like this gets you out of having to use the capo so much. This next one is probably familiar. It's the A-shaped bar chord. Check this one out. Part of the reason for this would be funk, high-speed pop, but again, you see it's so tight up here for space, and that's why it's really good once you get into bar chord territory to learn all the different types of Gs. Last but not least, that's basically my index finger is across the 12th fret and my pinky goes on the 15th. And again, ukulele type sound. It can be nice for fills and things like that. I'm going to play it through them all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to grab your free guide below.